When you get in contact with Klöeber, it's not about us trying to sell to you, it's about understanding what your needs are and what your requirements are for your project. So we're all ears, we want to listen to you and we want to understand what you want and what works for you.
I'll be communicating with you directly. We will have a foreman that's in charge of the job on site, who would be the person that initially calls me if there is an issue. And once the installation is complete, if there is a follow-up, then you'll get an email from me and a handover, and just make sure that you're aware of everything that needs to be done before I pass that over to our dedicated aftercare team.
So at Klöeber, customers are always our top priority. From sales, when they help you choose the right product for you and your house, through to receiving a fitting or delivery date, always the best date we can offer. When the fitting teams are on site with you, they'll try and overcome any issues and give you the best installation possible. Support from our installation departments with our installation manager, and then any future issues with our aftercare department, always top priority.
A lot of what I do impacts the customer. Originally I started with Klöeber in the sales department, visiting projects, really understanding what people needed.
So if you had to come to us and say, here's a picture of my house, it's built from stone, this is the colour of window that we think we want, this is the configuration of door, we've got 10 to 15,000 projects in the bank that we can pick out, and we can send you a really relevant photo most of the time.
We have to support you in your project and make sure you make the right decisions going forward. And with doors and windows, that isn't as straightforward as you may think. There's a lot of technical support that's necessary, understanding the aesthetics of your property, natural flow as well, which is really important to making sure you pick the right product that works for you. As everyone has a personal statement on what works for them, but ultimately the decision is yours, and we're here to help you make that right decision.